Hello children, how are you all? A hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 8, Subject Hindi, Lesson 9, Topic Paropkar. Paropkar means helping others. We have gone through this chapter in the last session itself, children. I hope you all remember this chapter. This is the chapter about helping others. How we can help others and what is the use of helping others. Everything is given in this chapter, children. I hope you all must have gone through the chapter properly. Yes? Yes. Just we'll have a glance for our chapter. Okay? Yes. So here the first, it's starting with Tulsidas Dohe. Here he has written that there is no good deed like helping others, and there is no evil like disturbing or making others to cry. Okay, so there is no good deed like helping others. If you will help others, you are a very good person from your heart. And if you are making others to cry, you are the worst person. Okay, children. So, in many ways we can help others. You can see naturally how the sun is shining the whole day by burning itself. It is helping us only. It is not taking anything for its own. It is helping us only. Right, children? The same way the moon, it is borrowing the heat and light from the sun to help us. It does not have its own light. It is borrowing the things from others to help you all. Right. So, and next you can see the trees. The best example is the river, trees. Okay. The river does not drink its own water, or the trees does not eat its own fruit, but it helps you in many ways. The tree, just you imagine a tree, it gives you shade, it helps you in doing many works, and it helps you to burn it, and it helps the roots and leaves, everything is helped to make medicines, and it gives you beautiful flowers, it gives you fruits. In each and every way you can see a plants and trees helps us. Right, children? Okay, there are so many great people. How they became great, do you think? Yes, they became great by helping others. You can see there are so many people, like the best example is Gautam Buddha. He belonged to a very rich family, but he sacrificed all his wealth and he came out as a sannyasi to help others. He taught many good lessons to other people, like how to live with love and non-violence. Right? Gandhiji sacrificed his whole life for the people to get independence, and many other good deeds. Right? Mother Teresa, she sacrificed her whole life by helping very poor people and children. But today, can you see, there are no people helping others. They just turn their face. If you have any difficulties, they will turn their face from you. We also are doing the same things. But we should not do like that, right, children? We have to help others. We should help others. It is not that if you are rich, then only you can help others, and if you are poor, you are not able to help others. It is nothing like that. If you are making a person to cross the road also, like if the person is blind, you are helping the person to cross the road, or if the person is a very old man or old woman, you are making that person to cross the road. That is all a very good deed. That is all also helping. It does not mean that you have to help with money only. If you have money, you can help. If you don't have money, you can't help. It is nothing like that. Okay, children? Okay, so this was all what we have learned in the last chapter, that we have to be ready any time to help others. Okay. Okay, children. So first Roman here given for you is word meanings, right? Shabdarth. This is already discussed in the last session, right children? So I'll just read out it with the answers. First one, paropkar, benevolence. Paropkar, benevolence. Second one, आंधी, gale, wind. You will say, no children, gale. The second one is आंधी, gale or wind. Vishram, rest. Vishram, rest. Pida, pain. Pida means pain. Tapna, to be heated. Tapna, to be heated. Marg, way. Way. Jad, root. Root. Okay children, so this was all in your Shabdat. Second Roman, प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखो. Answer the following questions. Shall we move on to the first question children? Yes. First question for you is, परहित शब्द का अर्थ क्या है? First question is, परहित शब्द का अर्थ क्या है? The answer is, परहित शब्द का अर्थ है दूसरों का हित करना. परहित शब्द का अर्थ है दूसरों का हित करना. What is benevolence? What, परहित शब्द का अर्थ क्या है? What do you mean by the word benevolence? The answer is, परहित शब्द का अर्थ है दूसरों का हित करना. Benevolence means helping others, doing good for others. Okay children, we'll move on to the second question. तुलसीदास ने किसको सबसे बड़ा धर्म कहा है? तुलसीदास ने किसको सबसे बड़ा धर्म कहा है? What is the most good deed mentioned by तुलसीदास? The answer is, तुलसीदास जी ने परोपकार को सबसे बड़ा धर्म कहा है. तुलसीदास जी has mentioned helping others is the best deed. Tulsidas ji has told that helping others is the best deed. तुलसीदास जी ने किसको सबसे बड़ा धर्म कहा है? तुलसीदास जी ने परोपकार को सबसे बड़ा धर्म कहा है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन, सूरज हमें क्या देता है? What does the sun gives us? सूरज स्वयं तपकर हमें प्रकाश व गर्मी देता है. The sun burns itself to give us light and heat. सूरज हमें क्या देता है? सूरज स्वयं तपकर हमें प्रकाश व गर्मी देता है. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन, चंद्रमा हमें क्या देता है? What does a moon gives us? चंद्रमा अपनी शीतल किरणों से हमें शीतलता प्रदान करता है. The moon gives us cold light with its cold rays. The cold rays which comes from the moon gives us cold light in the darkness. चंद्रमा हमें क्या देता है? चंद्रमा अपनी शीतल किरणों से हमें शीतलता प्रदान करता है. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन, नदियों का जल कौन पीता है? Who drinks the water of the river? नदियों का जल इंसान और जानवर पीते हैं. The water of the river is drunk by a human being or an animal. नदियों का जल कौन पीता है? नदियों का जल इंसान और जानवर पीते हैं. सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन, वृक्षों से हमें क्या लाभ है? What are the benefits we get from a tree? What are the benefits we get from a tree? The answer is वृक्ष हमें छाया प्रदान करता है, रोग दूर करने में मदद करता है, वातावरण को फूल सुगंधमय बना देता है और जलाने के लिए लकड़ी प्रदान करता है. A tree gives us shade. It gives us different materials to remove our problems, like it gives us medicines, okay, and the beautiful flowers, it does not give only beauty, it gives us fragrance also, and at last it becomes wood and burn for us to make food. Okay children, वृक्षों से हमें क्या लाभ है? वृक्ष हमें छाया प्रदान करता है, रोग दूर करने में मदद करता है, वातावरण को फूल सुगंध देता है और जलाने के लिए लकड़ी प्रदान करता है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो नेक्स्ट वी विल मूव टू आवर फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. खाली स्थान भरो. फर्स्ट वन, दूसरों की डैश करना ही परोपकार कहलाता है. आंसर इज मदद. It's given in red with an underline children. That is only your answer. दूसरों की मदद करना ही परोपकार कहलाता है. सेकेंड वन, नदियाँ अपना जल डैश नहीं पीती, स्वयं. नदियाँ अपना जल स्वयं नहीं पीती. थर्ड वन, वृक्ष अपने फल स्वयं नहीं डैश. वृक्ष अपने फल स्वयं नहीं खाते. आंसर इज खाते. फोर्थ वन, गांधी जी आदि डैश में रहे, धोती. आंसर इज धोती. गांधी जी आदि धोती में रहे. फिफ्थ वन, ईसा मसीह क्रूस पर चढ़ गए. क्रूस इज द आंसर हियर चिल्ड्रन. ईसा मसीह क्रूस पर चढ़ गए. ओके, so next here is true or false. Next fourth Roman given for you here is true or false. First one, दूसरों की भलाई करना ही परोपकार कहता है. Helping others is only known as benevolence. True or false children? Yes, it's true. Next, नदियाँ अपना जल स्वयं पीती है. The river drinks its own water. Does the river drinks its own water? No. So the sentence is false. Next, वृक्ष अपने फल स्वयं खाते हैं. All the trees eats its own fruits. Does the trees eats its own fruits, children? No. We only eat the fruits, right? We or animals like that only. We only eat the fruits, right? So the sentence is false. गांधी जी आधी धोती में रहे. गांधी जी always stayed in half धोती. Yes, it's true. मदर टेरेसा दीन दुखियों की सेवा करती रही. मदर टेरेसा always helped poor people. This sentence is also true, children. So with this, the session gets over and all the book back exercises also got finished, children. So be clear with all the exercises, and for next lesson we'll meet in the next session, children. Thank you.